Today we will make orzo pasta salad. This is a simple and healthy dish to eat lighter after the holiday feasts. Orzo is also known as risotto and is a form of shortcut pasta that is often added in salads. For this recipe we will use the following ingredients: 60 g Kalamata and black sliced olives, 100 g cherry tomatoes cut in half, 50 g julienne sliced red torpedo onion, 50 g grated carrot, 80 g diced cucumber and other 80 sliced red bell pepper, 100 g diced feta cheese and some fresh parsley, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 pressed garlic clove, 50 g canned corn, 200 g orzo pasta, 700 ml vegetable stock. In a large pot, add pasta and vegetable stock, boiling them according to the package instructions. Because this pasta type is small, they should cook in about 7 to 8 minutes. After they are cooked, drain and place them in a large bowl and let them cool completely before using them. Take a jar and add 50 ml olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper mixed with dry basil, 3 tablespoons fresh squeezed lemon juice, or vinegar if you prefer, and then put the lid on and shake well. I choose a simple dressing for this salad since I wanted a light dish, but feel free to add another dressing instead. We will begin the last part of this recipe by mixing all the ingredients together. Start by adding olives over the cold orzo, corn, bell pepper, carrot and cucumber, fresh chopped parsley. To avoid squashing the tomato halves when we mix them together, we will add them later together with feta and onion. I forgot to add the pressed garlic into the dressing at first, so I will mix it now and shake it before adding it to the dressing. Add the dressing over your salad and mix everything until the dressing covers your ingredients. Now start to add the cheese, onion and tomato and mix all the ingredients gently again using vertical moves.